Politics in Bihar has been in a state of flux since the general election results, and now Bihar has got a new chief minister. Nitish Kumar has replaced himself with his government social welfare minister Jitin Ram Manjhi, who recently lost the Gaya Lok Sabha seat. Nitish Kumar took Manjhi along with him to meet the state's governor and stake claim to form the government.
हमारा एक ही चीज है कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जो काम शुरू किया है, रोड मैप उन्होंने लागू किया है, उस रोड मैप को सख्ती से आगे बढ़ाने की ही हमारी प्राथमिकता रहेगी.
It had become clear on Monday afternoon in the meeting of JDU's legislature party that Nitish will soon replace himself. He refused to reconsider his resignation during the meet and that the legislators authorized him to choose his own replacement. Nitish clarified that his decision to resign is not an emotional one.
यह फैसला कोई भावावेश में नहीं है, ये एक आदर्श जिसको हम मानते हैं, नैतिक मूल्यों को हम मानते हैं, जिसमें हमारा विश्वास है, उसके आधार पर हमने ये अंतर मन से फैसला लिया.
Though the government's leadership may be changing, but the JDU has made it clear that it will fight the 2015 assembly elections under Nitish's leadership and he'll keep guiding the government till then.
विधानमंडल दल की यह बैठक श्री नीतीश कुमार के नेतृत्व में पूर्ण आस्था और विश्वास करती तथा विधायक दल के नए नेता को नामित करने के लिए उन्हें अधिकृत करती. 2015 का विधानसभा चुनाव श्री नीतीश कुमार के नेतृत्व में लड़ा जाएगा.
It was on Saturday that Nitish Kumar resigned from his post after JDU's drubbing in the general elections, where the party's strength in the Lok Sabha plunged from 20 to 2. Governor D.Y. Patil accepted his resignation, but at the same time, Nitish had not recommended the dissolution of the assembly. A legislators' meet was called the next day for choosing a new leader, but most MLAs demanded that Nitish remain CM. This made Nitish ask for one more day's time to think things over. But he refused to change his mind on Monday, forcing his party to accept his decision. The JDU's political rivals have their own distinct takes on Nitish's moves.
कि नीतीश कुमार ने ये कहा कि 2015 में मैं नेतृत्व करूंगा विधानसभा चुनाव का. इसका मतलब है कि जो 1.5 वर्ष है वो उनकी खड़ाऊं लेकर कोई महादलित सिंहासन पर उसकी रखवाली करेगा. तो यानी महादलित का इस्तेमाल केवल स्टॉप गैप अरेंजमेंट के लिए है, एक अल्प अवधि के लिए है, ताकि उनको फिर बनने का अवसर मिल सके.
मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने ईमानदारी से अपनी जिम्मेदारी ली है और इस्तीफा दिया है.
मूलतः ये इसको हम लोग बिल्कुल एक जदयू का अंदरूनी मामला मानते हैं. उसमें कहीं भी हम अपने लिए कोई भूमिका नहीं देखते हैं. जेडीयू को समर्थन की अभी आवश्यकता ही नहीं है. अगर आप बिहार के विधानसभा के आंकड़े देखें, उनके पास बहुमत है.
Nitish may have taken a step back, but more changes could be in the offing in the JDU's leadership. A question now being raised in the party's circles is, if Nitish Kumar is giving up his chair because of the party's poor performance, why should JDU President Sharad Yadav retain his post? Newsnight Desk, DD News.